So that you know, I have intentionally made this video slow-paced, so you don't feel like cheated. Stopping scrolling is pretty easy. The reason why I am saying this is because whenever I felt like scrolling, I had a reason not to start scrolling. An higher goal or purpose, if I say, and purpose that is so damn big and good that it's hard to leave and start scrolling. A higher purpose for me behaves as a powerful anchor, holding me at one place, keeping me grounded, so no matter what, I will be focused on what truly matters. And if you don't know your purpose yet, you can start finding it, but yet, till then, you can use these 3 solutions that will actually stop you from scrolling. If I remember correctly, I found out about the first solution when I was mindlessly scrolling through YouTube and stumbled upon a Uniq video that made me rethink my approach. In that video, creator explained a unique way to stop scrolling. Toll. A toll is like a fee or charge for scrolling. Every time before you start scrolling, you will have to pay a price. Before scrolling, do something you don't like or you wanted to start. For example, if you don't like running, 1 minute of running is equal to 10 seconds of scrolling. So if you could run for 10 minutes, you earned yourself a minute of scrolling time. It solely depends on you if you want to pay any other sort of toll, like reading book or doing push-ups. Well, implementing this strategy will help you engage in other activities rather than scrolling, and will help you stop scrolling. The second solution is accessibility. I found about this one on my own. Accessibility, ease of reaching or using something. Do you know 1/3 of Americans actually check their phones 160 times a day, and I think you are probably one of them. That's actually like once every 2 minutes to tackle this problem. You can start with putting your phone on silent and keeping it away from your immediate reach, like from your desk or wherever you sit. Also, you can keep your phone downstairs or, like me, in other room. This will create a physical barrier, like in friction. Now you will be forced to make efforts, and here's the thing, nobody is going to make that extra effort. This small change can make a ton of difference in your mindless scrolling. Now you kept your phone away, what would you do now? This is the problem I was facing, so now you have to adopt new habits. What type of habits should you adopt? You see, habits can be divided into 2 different categories: instant gratification habits and delayed gratification habits. And believe it or not, this is most likely the important lesson that we can learn in our life. Instant gratification habits are the activities that provide immediate rewards, but slowly over time makes our life a little bit worse. What's actually important is delayed gratification. On the other hand, are the activities that feel like a little bit hard while we're doing them, but in the long run they improve our life. For example, reading any sort of self-improvement books may seem harder to do at first compared to playing video games, but it enhances our knowledge and improves our life over the period of time. Meditation, we all know that consuming short-form content shortens our attention span. In 2000, our attention span was 12 seconds. In 2015, it was down to 8 seconds. And in 2022, it was 5 seconds. The easiest way to increase our attention span is through meditation. Attention span is like a muscle, and similar to how we train our biceps to become bigger and stronger through repeatedly training it. We can do exactly the same thing with our attention span through meditation. Every time you meditate, you go to the mental gym, like you train your bicep with bicep curls. You can train your brain with meditation. And I am telling you, once you start meditation and focus on one thing, your lizard brain will try to tell you that you need to do something or you need to be somewhere else, but don't listen to it and fully focus on clearing your thoughts and maintain your focus on your breathing. By doing 3 minutes of meditation every day is equal to doing 1 set of bicep curls. The more intensely you do meditation, the longer your attention span gets. By implementing tolls, creating physical barriers, and meditating daily, we break free from mindless scrolling, empower yourself from within, cultivate these habits, and carve the way for a fulfilling life.